The National Weather Service in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Alamance County, central Orange County, central Durham County until 6:30 a.m. At 6:04 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mebane, or 7 miles west of Hillsborough, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Durham, Chapel Hill, Hillsborough, Mebane, Evelyn, Lake Vichy, Lino River State Park, Gorman, Bethesda, and Bethesda. This includes the following highways: Interstate 85 between mile markers 163 and 182. Interstate 40 between mile markers 153 and 162, and between mile markers 259 and 269. The Durham Freeway between mile markers 10 and 17. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 a.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Alamance, Durham, and Orange. Here is a special weather